Hello students, so today we are going to start with the chapter tissues. This is class 9th science chapter 6 tissues. So what is a tissue? A tissue is a group of cells having similar structure and function. In plants and animals, group of cells called tissues carry out specific functions. So tissues are basically a group of cells which have a similar structure and similar function. So what are examples? Examples like in human beings, the cell of a muscular tissue contract and relax and helps in movements. In plant, the cell of a vascular tissue conduct water and food from one part of the plant to the another. So tissues are a group of cells which have similar functions and similar structure. Like in animal cells, we have got muscular tissues which contract and relaxes and it helps in movements, and in plants we have got vascular tissue which helps in the conduct of water and food from one part of the plant to the another. So what is the difference between plant and animal tissues? Plant do not move from one place to another, so most of the cells of the tissues in the plants provide mechanical support and strength. So most of the tissue consists of dead cells because they provide mechanical support and strength to the plant. As we know, plants cannot move from one place to another. So the basic function of these tissues are to provide the plants with mechanical support and strength. And the growth of the plants takes place only in some regions. So plants have tissues called meristematic tissues which divide and help in the growth, and permanent tissues which do not divide. So there are basically two kind of tissues. As we discussed that in plant cells most of the tissues are dead cells. So it basically consists of two types of tissues. One is meristematic tissue which helps in the growth and it divides continuously, and the second is a permanent tissue which do not divide. Now the animal tissue. Animal moves from one place to another and it needs more energy than plants. So most cells and tissues in animals are called living cells. And the growth of the animals is more uniform, so animals do not have separate dividing and non-dividing cells. Since animals move from one place to another and they require a lot of energy, so basically what happens is all the cells that are present in animals is basically living cells, and they have organs. Animals have organs having specialized functions, so the organs have specialized tissues. So we'll start also discuss about plant tissues. Plant tissues are of two main types. They are meristematic tissues and permanent tissue. We discussed about it. Meristematic tissues are of three types: apical meristematic tissue, intercalary meristematic tissue, lateral meristematic tissues. And permanent tissues are two types: simple permanent and complex permanent, which is further divided into more parts. Like in simple permanent tissue, it is further divided in parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma, and complex permanent tissues are further divided into xylem and phloem. So in the next class we'll start with meristematic tissues.